Yeah, she's a great witness.
Yeah.
The only thing, that last question, it was, great to get that in right before the lunch break, remind the jury that that Scott deleted the trail camera images. I didn't like the way they did it, though, because they put her in a bad spot. They said, would it surprise you to know that Scott deleted those? I kind of feel like she already knew that.
I mean, she would have to, right?
Yeah,
I mean, I know she's sequestered for this case,
and then she played it out, like, I guarantee you the state says, are you telling us you didn't know that your brother deleted those trails? Because she went into what she thought she was supposed to do at that moment and acted like
that would be so shocking. Why would he be doing this? We were looking for our father, and and
that's not her fault. That's the way it was framed, that question. It put her in a bad spot, because otherwise, boom, she nailed it. She's just such a compelling storyteller, such a genuine, like, her emotions came out at the exact points where you'd want them to. And Michael, you can't coach that. You can't coach the waterworks on cue when she's remembering her dad or remembering this or that. I mean, this was quintessential, honest civilian witness.
Everybody emotes differently, and I agree with you. She emoted in a way that was very credible and sincere. We know that this is, in my opinion, to my knowledge, this is the first time that even the defendant was emotional and cried. And I could be wrong, but I don't recall seeing her emote or be emotional at any other time in this case, and her daughter brought it out of her. So I think her daughter came off very credible. Juries are sitting there to weigh credibility of witnesses. You can have a witness go on the stand and say, no, I know for a fact you didn't do it. And if they just say it in a way that is not credible, you're not going to believe them, right? You're going to discard their testimony and put it in the category it needs to be, right? With her, she came off very credible. Like I said, she shifted me definitely in favor of an acquittal. I'm not saying Melody's innocent. I'm just saying I think reasonable doubt has been increased by her daughter. Her daughter has been a powerful witness. We've known that the daughter was going to be called in the defense's case from before the defense took the case from a while back. I didn't know why. Now I know why. She's a powerful witness. I agree with you, Ted, that the defense attorney asked the question very awkwardly. They tell you in a trial setting, especially in a criminal defense trial setting, never ask a question you don't know the answer to, and you cannot see the ramifications of the question down the line. If what you're saying is correct, and I didn't think about it until you said it, but if what you're saying is correct and the prosecution pounces it, because the prosecution, in my opinion, other than that, this is the most difficult cross-examination you could have as a defense attorney or a prosecution. This is something they can't train you for. So if you are correct, Ted, then they're going to pounce on her and they're going to impugn her credibility. So that would have been a big mistake and misstep by the defense attorney.
We will see how it goes. We are getting word that the parties are actually gathering, that lunch break is wrapping up. So we're going to get to a break.